think Washburn was a good fit for me because I came from a small high school and I didn't want to get lost in the crowd. Hi, my name is Katie Mayer and I graduated from Washburn with my bachelor's in finance and management. I saw that the average class sizes here were anywhere from like 20 to 30, usually lower to 20, and that let me know that my professors are going to know me by name. They're going to recognize if I skip class. They're going to recognize that I'm putting the effort into class as well, so I really appreciated that. My professors were awesome. They pushed me to be the best I could be. They helped me recognize things that I didn't recognize within myself. I chose Washburn because my mom graduated from Washburn with her nursing degree in the early 90s, and Washburn's so close to home that I could easily go back home if I need to. I lived on campus my freshman year. I absolutely loved it. If I could talk to students who are thinking about coming to Washburn, I'd recommend that they do live on campus, at least their first year. They will grow so much, they will build so many great relationships, and they will have that support that they need to finish out their degree here. I think what makes Washburn special is that everywhere you turn, there's going to be a familiar face. You will always have someone that you can lean on. So I really appreciate the size of Washburn. Affordability was definitely a factor in choosing the college I went to. I had applied for several other colleges within the state of Kansas, and none of them compared to what they would offer me for scholarships that Washburn did. When I came to Washburn, I was an exploratory major, meaning I didn't really know what I wanted to do, and I was enrolled in a WU 101 class where I had a really awesome professor. His name is James Barraclough, and him and his peer educators helped me find my passions. They figured out I was really into math and that I would probably be very successful with the business school. I believe Washburn prepared me for my career because of the several group projects that we were assigned in my bachelor's and in my graduate classes. They gave me a lot of opportunities to work with people and grow my leadership skills. Working as a summer orientation counselor here at Washburn helped me realize that I just want to help people to become their best self, and so that job helped me to be prepared for this current job as well. I'm a training and development coordinator here at Envista Credit Union in Topeka, Kansas, and I get to train all of our new hires on our core systems. So basically I get to help them with everything that's going to make them feel confident in their role in like the first 90 days. So they get to know me really well. If I could talk to students and give them any advice on coming to Washburn, just do it. You won't regret it. You will become your best self here. You belong at Washburn.